Hello everybody, my name is Chris, my friends call me RT, and this is RT Cooks It. Today we're going to mess around with Club House La Grille's Dill Pickle Spice. I can't wait to show you all the great ways I've found to use this wonderful spice. Big fan of dill pickle. This is an awesome find. Love it so far. Can't wait to keep experimenting. Here's the few I've tried so far. Recipes in the comments. Dill pickle hummus with Clubhouse's Dill Pickle Spice. Quick and easy. Here we go. The dill pickle spice, plain hummus, and diced up dill pickles. Get it in a bowl and mix it up. We have 2 cups of hummus, 4 teaspoons of dill pickle spice. Yeah. Get a couple pieces of dill pickle, big old chunk. Whoa. No doubt you're eating dill pickle. Simple, easy dill pickle dip. For this one, half a cup of that wonderful mayo, half a cup sour cream, 3 teaspoons of the dill pickle spice, 1 large dill pickle chopped up. We just give this a mix, spin it around. So easy, so simple, nothing to it. Get it into a bowl. There you go. We'll have to give it a try. Little bit of dill pickle, a little bit of that dip. The flavor is unbelievable. The mixed mayo, sour cream, come on. Garlic, bacon, dill pickle dip. It's going to be good. We have mayonnaise, some garlic sauce, bacon bits, chopped up dill pickle, sour cream, and of course, that dill pickle spice. Get it in a bowl, mix it around, refrigerate it, and enjoy. So of course, not only is this going to have some ridiculous dill pickle flavor, it's going to have a wham of garlic. Let's try it. Bit of bacon, bit of dill pickle. What a wicked flavor. The garlic is bang. Pickle Caesar. We're getting a little crazy now. Pickled bean clamato, spicy dill pickles, ice, vodka, the dill pickle spice, and a lime to get us around the rim. And we got a dill pickle for a garnish. First things first, we got to rim the glass. So we'll take a little bit of that dill pickle spice, spread it out on a plate, shake it around a little bit, take a lime, circle the glass, get that rim good and salty and spicy. There we go. Ice, 3 ounces or so of vodka, spice bean dill pickle, garnish with a pickle. There you go. Beautiful dill pickle rimmed Caesar. I just stick the pickle right in, get at it. Oh, what a great start to a weekend.